This one's called Leonardo, Dicaprio, and Oscars. You have to write a function that describes Leo. If Oscar was an integer 88, this parameter Oscar comes in as 88. You have to return Leo finally won the Oscar, Leo is happy. If Oscar was 86, you have to return not even for Wolf of Wall Street. If it was not 88 or 86 and below 88, you should return when will you give Leo an Oscar. And finally, if it was over 88, you should return Leo got one already. So this is a pretty dumb example, not gonna lie about that. Just setting up, go ahead and set up those conditional statements. I suppose it's a little new in that they added a couple conditions. You know, if it's not a couple exact values, check if it's above or below a certain point. Trying to find the silver lining in this challenge. So let's just get it done. If Oscar equals 88, hopefully I don't type something wrong. Leo finally won the Oscar. I feel like I should have that Leonardo DiCaprio meme where he's doing the smug laugh. I feel like that should be superimposed on this while I'm doing this dumb challenge. Leo finally won the Oscar. Leo is happy. Okay. Our other one was if it's equal to 86, return the string not even for Wolf of Wall Street. And this one's really messing with my OCD, how they capitalized the W in Wolf but not Wall Street. They made it one word. Ow. If Oscar is neither of those two values and below 88, you should return when will you give Leo an Oscar. And finally, if it's above 88, we don't even need an if check. This is just going to cover everything else. We'll say return Leo got one already. I don't know if he has any Oscars or not. I guess I would have guessed that he does because he's a famous actor and he's been okay in the movies that I've seen him in. So yeah, I think this will cover it. Okay, good. Yeah, so if you're a beginner, it's good to do these, I suppose. All green. I'll go ahead and submit this. Not much else to say about it. That's how your conditional statements work. You need a Boolean, a condition in here. The expression needs to sort of resolve to a Boolean. Checking if Oscar is equal. Remember the double equal sign for equality. If you just have one equal sign, that's assignment. Oops. Wow. There we go. So yeah, let's fire this one off. And there you go. Your other option with these is to use the switch statement if you don't like if else's. Work in that ternary operator there. Yeah, not a lot interesting going on here. Year of Oscar. Huh, that's weird. It's a weird thing to name it. 86? I mean, how old was Leonardo in 86? Yeah. Anyway, thinking too much about this. So that's it, yeah. Probably don't have questions, but if you do or have some comments or you want to spam the comments with your best smug Leonardo meme, that would be awesome. I'd appreciate that. And I look forward to that. See you in the next one.